This documentary explores the sophisticated industrial transformation of camel hides into elite and highly valuable luxury goods.
Camel skin is renowned for its incredible durability and distinctive fiber structure, making it a premium raw material.
The process begins with the arrival of livestock at a facility that prioritizes efficiency and strict biosecurity.
Every animal is logged into a digital tracking system, ensuring total traceability throughout the entire complex processing. Subscribe to our channel now to see more fascinating deep dives into global industries and manufacturing processes. We follow the material as it moves into the industrial heart of the factory for its transformation. Precise harvesting techniques are essential to preserve the integrity of the hide and avoid any surface damage. Raw hides are sorted and prepared for the tanning process, where the true chemical conversion begins. Tanning drums rotate constantly to ensure that chemicals penetrate the thick camel skin fibers evenly and thoroughly. Maintaining exact chemical balances is critical for achieving the soft yet durable quality required for luxury products. After tanning, the leather must be dried slowly under controlled humidity to prevent the fibers from cracking. Industrial pressing machines ensure the leather is perfectly flat and has a consistent density across the surface. Advanced laser scanning technology detects any imperfections that could diminish the final value of the expensive product. The finishing stage involves multiple coats of specialized oils to enhance the natural beauty of the grain.
Top designers utilize every square inch of the premium leather to create items that command incredible prices.
Precision water jet cutting reduces waste and allows for the intricate designs seen in million-dollar collections.
Expert craftsmanship is combined with industrial efficiency to produce goods that are both beautiful and incredibly strong. These finished products are then shipped to elite boutiques, where they are sold to the world's wealthiest. The value of the hide increases exponentially as it moves from the factory to the high fashion.
Branding and certification are the final steps in securing the product's place in the global luxury market.
Sustainability in the desert ecosystem is vital for the long-term viability of this unique leather industry. Custom dyes are developed to match the specific fashion trends of the upcoming season in the West.
The dyeing process requires hours of careful temperature management to lock in the vibrant and lasting colors.
Quality testing ensures that every product can withstand years of heavy use without losing its structural form. Logistics networks move these million-dollar items from remote factories to the fashion capitals of the world.
Every inch is scrutinized for perfection because high-end customers expect nothing less than absolute flawless quality.
Skeeving allows for seamless folds in high-fashion accessories, which is a hallmark of truly superior craftsmanship.
The branding must evoke a sense of heritage and exotic luxury to appeal to the global elite.
Salting is a traditional preservation technique that prevents the raw hides from decomposing before they reach tanning. Finished rolls are stored in dark, cool environments to maintain the supple feel of the expensive leather.
The journey concludes on the world's most famous runways, where the factory's hard work is finally celebrated.
The automotive industry is one of the largest consumers of high-quality camel hide for bespoke interiors. Advanced water recycling ensures that the factory operates with minimal environmental impact in the arid desert climate.
Buffing dips the camel skin, a velvet-like texture, known as nubuck, which is highly sought after.
Consistency and thickness is vital for automated sewing machines that assemble the complex luxury leather handbags later.
Hand-applied wax provides a water-resistant layer that protects the milieu. Renewable energy sources are increasingly used to power the energy-intensive tanning and manufacturing processes in factories. Every detail, including the hardware, is chosen to reflect the high value and exclusivity of the brand.
Global demand for exotic leathers continues to grow, driving the expansion of high-tech camel processing facilities.
Color fastness is essential to ensure the leather does not fade when exposed to the bright tropical sun.
Automation in packaging ensures that the product is protected and presented in a way that justifies price.
Every part of the animal is utilized, including the wool, which is processed into high-end textiles.
Security is paramount in a facility that produces millions of dollars worth of luxury inventory every year. New technologies like 3D printing are being explored to create custom textures on natural camel leather surfaces. The global distribution chain is a marvel of modern engineering, connecting remote desert factories to city centers.
Advanced coatings make the leather nearly impervious to the elements, adding to its reputation for extreme durability.
Sanding the flesh side of the hide produces a soft, luxurious suede that is perfect for garments.
Inspiration for these products often comes from the very environment where the camels have lived for centuries.
Large-scale industrial contracts are the backbone of the factory's financial success in the global leather market.
Precision climate control prevents the leather from drying out and losing its natural and valuable supple feel.
Traditional carving techniques are still used for bespoke items, blending ancient artistry with modern industrial processing power.
Data from chemical analysis is used to improve the tanning process and ensure a consistent final product.
Refrigerated storage is essential for maintaining the quality of leather before it is shipped to the market.
Efficient loading and unloading procedures are vital for the smooth operation of the global leather distribution network. Leather is naturally oil repellent, making it a versatile ingredient for many different high-end luxury applications. The day starts early on the camel farm, ensuring that the animals are well cared for always.
Real-time monitoring of production data allows for the optimization of the factory's overall efficiency and output.
Proper sealing is essential for maintaining the freshness of leather during transport and storage for the consumer. The global trade in leather is supported by a complex network of shipping and logistics providers worldwide. Leather provides a unique flavor and texture to luxury lifestyle products that other materials simply cannot replicate. Acidity testing is a key part of the quality control process for leather, ensuring it is safe. Refrigerated transport ensures that the product reaches the consumer in the best possible and freshest condition today. Leather is a versatile material that can be used in many different ways, from fashion to automotive.
The exotic leather industry is a world leader providing high-quality products to the global luxury market.
Accurate weighing is essential for ensuring that luxury packaging meets the required international and local legal standards. Proper storage conditions are vital for maintaining the quality and shelf life of the final leather product.
The sun sets on the harbor, but the work of distributing luxury leathers to the world continues.
Purity is the hallmark of high-quality leather, and it is achieved through careful processing and filtration.
The modern camel farm is a high-tech operation, ensuring the safety and health of the animals. Real-time thickness monitoring ensures that the product is processed correctly to maintain its ideal smooth texture.
Final quality checks are performed before the product leaves the plant for its journey to the market.
Leather is a global commodity supporting millions of jobs and feeding luxury markets in all world parts.
The use of leather in traditional designs is a sign of its enduring quality and artistic importance.
Scientific research continues to explore new uses for exotic leathers in the fashion and automotive sectors worldwide.
The cycle of production never truly stops, as the factory works through the night to meet demand. Every finished item is a masterpiece of engineering and art, representing the pinnacle of the leather industry.
Hygiene and maintenance are the keys to producing the world's most valuable and sought-after exotic leathers.
Data-driven manufacturing allows the factory to optimize every stage of the million-dollar production process today.
Careful handling at every stage ensures that the customer receives a product that is in perfect condition.
The road from the factory to the consumer is long, but it is paved with luxury excellence.
Vision and technology come together to create the next generation of high-value camel leather luxury products. Environmental monitoring is a core part of the factory's commitment to sustainable and responsible luxury manufacturing today.
The unboxing experience is designed to reflect the prestige and the high price of the leather item.
The factory has completed another day of transforming raw hides into the world's most expensive luxury products.
The story of camel leather is one of nature's beauty being refined by human industrial ingenuity today. Temperature and humidity are the silent partners in creating the perfect texture for high-end exotic leather.
Flexibility and strength are the key characteristics that set camel leather apart from other common luxury materials. The world's elite wait for the arrival of the newest camel leather collections in the city shops.
Every piece of leather that leaves the factory is backed by a guarantee of absolute world-class quality.
The desert night is a reminder of the timeless environment that produces such a remarkable raw material.
Final touches are what separate a good product from $1 million one in the luxury market.
Another shipment of luxury camel leather is on its way to satisfy the global fashion industry demand.
Color consistency is vital for large production runs of luxury goods that must all look perfectly identical.
Microscopic analysis reveals the dense fiber network that makes camel leather the strongest in the entire world. Its efficiency and precision are the foundations of a factory that produces millions of dollars in leather goods.
The price reflects the complex industrial process and the expert craftsmanship that goes into every single item.
The desert is the source of this luxury, and the factory is the bridge to the world.
Final inspections are the last line of defense in maintaining the factory's reputation for absolute global excellence. A new day begins, and the process of creating million-dollar products starts all over again here.
Thank you for watching this deep dive into the world of industrial camel leather processing and manufacturing.